A storm of a strong passion can turn the destinies of the peoples, and he alone can uprise passion who fears it within himself. A school is a building with the four walls and tomorrow inside. So good morning, my dear students. So today we are very fortunate and we are very lucky to have a guest speaker as a Brahmachari Anand Chaitanya from Chennai, and also accompanied with Brahmachari Snehalji. She is the resident Acharya of Chinmay Archana Ashram Kurcharan, and also Mrs. Kiran Sabadekar. She is the present treasurer of Chinmay Mission Kurcharan. On behalf of school, I welcome you all for this occasion. Now I request our Mrs. Teacher Prajwala Bhakle to address this gathering and to welcome our guests by their words.
नमस्कार. आज आमचं परम भाग्य की आम्हाला श्रेष्ठ विभूती आनंद चैतन्य चेन्नईहून इथं आलेले आहेत आणि आपल्यासाठी थोडा वेळ होईना त्यांचे पाय आमच्या हायस्कूलला आज लागत आहेत. ते आमचं खरोखरच भाग्य आहे. त्याचबरोबर त्यांच्याबरोबर स्नेहल जे आहेत त्यांचं पण मी स्वागत करते आणि किरण सावर्डेकर त्यांचं पण मी स्वागत करते. आणि आपल्याला जो काही वेळ मिळाला आहे थोडा अल्पकालीन पण त्याचं रूपांतर फार मोठं होईल. जे संस्कार तुमच्यावर आता होतील जे तुम्ही काय ऐकाल लक्ष देऊन ऐकायचं सगळ्यांनी आणि ते आत्मसात करायचं आपल्या जीवनात. मी सगळ्यांच्या वतीनं त्यांचं सर्वांचं स्वागत करते. धन्यवाद.
Flowers are the proud expression that the ray of beauty outvalues all the utilities in the world. Now it's time to floral welcome for our guests. So now I request Tejas, Master Tejas from Standard 9 to present a flower for Brahmachari Anand Chaitanya ji. Now I request Srushti to present a flower to Brahmachari Snehalji. I request Abhishek to present a flower to treasurer of Chinmay Archana Ashram Kurcharan, Mrs. Kiran Sabadekar. And I finally request Babu Sir from Standard 9 to present a flower to our Ministry Teacher Prajwala Bhakle. So this is a small formal function. So now I request Brahmachari Anand Chaitanya ji to begin with their talk. Yes.
Namaskar, Vilaji, Snehalji, all the teachers, Vidyanama, and good morning to all of you. Where I have come from? Chennai, they said Chennai. Where is Chennai? North India, no? Yes or no? Loudly, where is it? South, which state? Kerala? Andhra? Tamil Nadu, okay. Like India has is a full of states, different states. Like one state, beautiful state in the south is Tamil Nadu, and I have come here. So we will do one thing. We will speak about our mind. How much power mind has. How can we use that mind to our benefit? We will discuss that for some time. How many of you are from 10th standard? Raise your hands. Hands down. How many of you are from 9th standard? Oh, hands down. How many of you are from 8th standard? Okay, hands down. Very good. Let's play game and start. Yeah? You like games? Boys like games? Did you see World Cup? Did you see? Yeah. So when I say yes, you have clap. Only one clap. Because such a nice school, when I come here, so beautiful place, very quiet. Yeah? So I like your school. So this clap is for your school. Okay? First, only 10th standard will clap, only one clap. But what is the rule when I say yes? Okay? You are ready? 10th standard? Yeah, some of you are ready, some of you are thinking, what is this? Yes. Good. Yes. Yes. When it one, when everyone does that one clap, it will make tuck. Otherwise, yes. Now 9th standard. Yes. Last 1%, 1 second late. Yes. Oh, very good. Very powerful. 9th standard. 8th standard. Yes. Yes. Okay, 8th standard. All of us together. All of us together. Clap. Clap. No, Tyler. What did I say? What was the rule? I should say yes. Yes or no? But what did I say? Clap. And you clap. All sleeping. Early morning coming to the school and sleeping. Yes. 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 Very good. I was going to watch the cricket match after the World Cup. Now India-Australia match. So when I was going to watch, one of my friends said, Anandji, you are going to watch cricket match? I said, yes, my country is playing. They said, we've lost the finals. After losing the finals, how can you go and watch the match? Okay, final we lost World Cup. 10 matches we won. 1 match we lost. That happened to be the final. 10 matches we won. They said, no, I will not watch. No, I am not saying that you have to watch all the matches. You have to study and watch. What I am saying, 1 match you lost, you heartbroken. And you decide your country, I am not watching. How can we be strong? 1 small incident, 1 something negative happened, your heart is broken, meaning you are so sad. No. A game where whatever game you are playing, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. A game, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So when you lose a game, what will you do? Next time, play well. But if you say that no, always I have to win, always no. The game, sometimes you win. If you have played nicely, 99.9% you will win. But sometimes what happens? Sometimes what happens? We may not expect what we get. What we should do? No, I am not playing now. Enough. I am not doing anything. Enough. Is that right? No. Some negative incident happened. Some problem happened. No. That is not right. There are a lot of people who are facing problems. They faced the problems. They went through the problem. All small problems like preparing for an exam, writing an exam or playing a game. But in and through the problems, they became strong. but they faced it. We have to be very strong. You are 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. India's population is 130, 140 crores. In that 75, 80 crores are youngsters like you. So if you are strong, if your emotions are strong, mind is strong, India will be strong. If you say that one small incident, and some of them will think about extreme steps, running away from the life. Can you think you study and reach IIT and one small negative things happened? I want to. Can you think 1 lakh people suiciding in a year? Why? No game spirit. A problem happens, so what? Next time, best performance. That is what will make you strong, India strong. Okay? You are strong, definitely. But some inputs I thought I will give you. When you read some of the stories of soldiers, those who got Paramveer Chakra for India. Okay, what is Paramveer Chakra? Highest military award, army award. If an army person, the highest award is called Paramveer Chakra. For us civilians, the highest award is Bharat Ratna. Some of the Paramveer Chakra soldier stories you read, so strong they are. Single-handedly, they change the entire destiny. We need to be strong. That's why one of my good friend, Virendra Bhaiya, who studied in the school, I was going to different parts of Goa, conducting class. He said, you come to our school. I said, okay, I have a class at 11 o'clock, but I thought, no, I have to come and see you. Why? Because I thought I have to share something with you so that we are all strong. So what is that in our mind which makes us weak? क्या है वो चीज? अभी body में अभी exercise, you do exercise, you eat good food, then you become strong. You exercise, your muscles will become strong. A strong body is required. But what is that which making us weak in the mind? What is that? समझ में आ रहा है ना मैं जो do like this if it is yes. समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो समझ में आ रहा है? What is that which is making me weak? क्या है वो चीज मुझको कमजोर करता है? वो क्या है? क्या है? खुशी है ना? खुशी और इसे नहीं सृष्टि. Our own negative emotions. Okay? वो जब डर, fear is a negative emotion. Yes or no? Fear. Unnecessarily fear is coming. Then what happens? I become weak. Then I went to principal's room. I saw Vivekananda's picture there. The way he is standing. So strong. Where? Body also strong. But mind, no fear. I am not saying no fear, you go to the third floor and from there do. No, that is stupidity. Yeah? Fear means what? I need to protect myself. But unnecessary fear, no reason, just like that fear will make us weak. Yes or no? You have prepared everything so nicely, then you are going to write the exam. Why fear? If fear is there, then you cannot write. You know everything, but your memory will not work. Why? Fear. We know the formula. I know the date. I know. Before studying, before going to the classroom. Yeah? But exam time is not coming. It's not coming. Then exam over. You come out of the classroom. What happens? कैसा लो? Why? वो अंदर वो जब एग्जाम लिख रहा था उस समय क्या हुआ? Mind ऐसा. So mind when is fear, what is inside the memory not coming out? Cricketers, 98 runs. They are standing. Till that no fear. Hey, nice thing. 98 runs. Then what happens? Out. So what will make us weak? Fear. What will take us to the problems? Anger. Unnecessary anger. Mother tells something. Sometimes, not all the time. Who is that? My mother. What do you know? I am in 8th standard, you know. Sorry, 9th standard. Who? Mother. Unnecessary anger. Sometimes your brother, sister, anger. Negative emotion. So, what makes us strong is our mind, our emotions. What makes us weak if we don't know how to handle our emotions. You see that? Once मैं हमारा दोस्तों के साथ, दोस्त मतलब आप जैसे 10th स्टैंडर्ड बच्चे, हमारा स्कूल है चेन्नई में, मैं हिंदी से okay? Okay. I went to one camp in Himachal Pradesh, Siddhbari, हमारा आश्रम है. So 10th standard students, they came. We allotted the rooms. You go to this room, you go to that room. We allotted the rooms. They went and kept the bag inside. From there they started running out. I said, what happened? I thought, is there any snake there or something like that? No, Swamiji. What is inside? A lizard. Where? In the bathroom. How big is the lizard? Lizard is how big are you? I am this much. Okay, second. Yeah. How big is the lizard? This much. How big am I? This much. How many teeth lizard has? How many teeth you have? But still fear. Why? The lizard will do something to me. Fear. No, I don't have fear of lizards. I may have fear to come and address people. Teacher told, someone told, come and talk something here. No, I'm scared. Or darkness, I cannot walk. Darkness. Or examination. Fear makes us weak. So what makes us strong is our own mind. What makes us weak? Our own mind. अभी ऐसा सोचो, एक पॉट है उधर, पॉट. वो पॉट के अंदर वाटर है, तो आप वो पॉट को क्या बोलेगा? वाटर पॉट. मिल्क है तो मिल्क पॉट. हनी है तो हनी पॉट. पॉइजन है तो. If thoughts are weak, you are weak. If thoughts are strong, mind is strong, you are strong. And when the mind is strong, mind is your friend. It is your bandhu. When the mind is not strong, mind is your enemy, ripu. Bhagavad Gita says this. If your mind is very friend, I have to do something, my mind is available, everything I have studied well, even studying time also, mind should be a good friend, you know. Otherwise, mind what will do? Open first page and mind is somewhere. Mind is a monkey riding on a donkey body in the circus of life. So mind is your friend, then mind is there available. So Vivekananda ji and all the saints of India, Chinmayanan ji, Vivekananda ji, you take anybody, they all had a strong mind, and they said our Bharatiyas, our Indian youngsters should have good mind and good body. They said that, you read Swami Vivekananda's life, he was so strong, his concentration was full. He went to a library and he asked for an encyclopedia. Librarian took some half an hour more than that to get the book. Even though everything is arranged in the library, he took a lot of time. Vivekananda went through that. Maybe half an hour or 45 minutes he would have spent. After that, he gave back. So the librarian said, मैं इतना टाइम लेके आपको दिया बुक, आपने तो इतना पूरा पढ़ा नहीं पढ़ा, spend नहीं किया. So Vivekananda said, you can ask anything from that book. I will tell you. See the mind, focus. So emotions, हमारा mind, what kind of thoughts we have, that determines our personality. Okay? Others we can give you like this one class, teacher can something, your parents can tell, but it is our responsibility to develop a strong mind. We cannot run away from the opportunities. We should not run away from the challenges. We need to face it. Otherwise, what happens? Every time when you run away from responsibilities, when you are doing something, you become weak. You know, when we got independence, India was all small countries. Kerala was Cochin, Travancore, Malabar, like that small provinces. 1947 India got freedom. The biggest task was वहां पूरा ये जाके पूरा ये राजाओं को नहीं तो नेताओं को बात करके वो सबको भारत में जुड़ना है. That was biggest task. And one person, he went everywhere and he convinced and joined everybody to India. And that's why we have a beautiful country India now. Why? One person, he went everywhere and he said, so some places they said, Hyderabad they said, we are not joining with India, we are not joining with Bharat. Then the person who went there, if you are not joining, you will know who I am. Fight with me. Who was that person? He said, Hyderabad said, we are going to join Pakistan. He said, you fight. Our Home Minister, that time, who was that? Iron Man of India. Who is that? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. When, suppose you are all kings and queens, okay, of some country, small country. Patel went and said, India is getting formed, please come. It is your country. Okay, you come and join. Most of them joined, some of them said no, but everybody. Now, why we call him Iron Man of India, I will tell you. He is a lawyer. One day he was standing in the court and he was in a trial, means he was fighting a case. When he was talking, magistrate is sitting, when he was talking, one person came and gave him a piece of paper. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is talking, magistrate sitting, and one piece of paper. He took the piece of paper, he read it, for a few seconds he was silent, then he kept that in his pocket, he continued his work. Yeah, work is important, duty is dharma. He continued his dharma. After 1 hour, because he's a lawyer, his case is over, he went there on the chair, sat on the chair and started crying. Why? His wife passed away. So the paper was written, your wife passed away. But pain is there, emotions are there. But if he stops the case, what about the people who are standing there? He is fighting for them? No. He said no, work should not be affected. He went there and then he continued his emotion. See, what do you want? Yeah, come this side, your mind is very strong, you listen to me, okay? He is gone. Focus. His wife passed away, but he did not allow his emotions to disturb. Again, he continued his. That's why we call him as Iron Man. Why? Because, of course, pain will be there. You will not buy it. But work is important. After that, he started crying. He started allowing his emotions to happen. Why? Work is important. Hence, we call he is negative emotions, when mind is saying anxiety, what will happen in the exam, what will happen in the future, or some fear is coming, or some tension is there, or suppose sometimes we have jealousy also. Jealousy में हिंदी क्या बोलते हैं? अच्छा, नहीं jealousy, that's right. आपको तो you want to get good marks. You did not get. Maybe you did not study well. I don't know. Your friend got good marks. Jalan. आता है या नहीं? Who is he? Who is she? Your own friend. Close friend. When your close friend is getting mark, I am not able to accept it. Jalan. इसको jealousy बोलते हैं अंग्रेजी में. Sometimes, not all of us. Sometimes. Negative emotion है ना? कैसे करना है? अभी वो आप कुछ नहीं कर रहा है तो प्रॉब्लम होगा लाइफ में. क्या? फ्रेंडशिप, नो फ्रेंड्स. So when you see that, and we can correct ourselves. Okay, all this fear, jealousy, anger, everything is known as reaction. What is it called? Reaction. Everything. If I call you, come here, talk here, mind reacts. Fear, reaction. Anxiety, reaction. Anxiety मतलब मुझको ये मिलेगा या नहीं, reaction. Reaction will not make us strong. What will make us strong? Response. Response क्या होता है? Whatever may be the emotion, what is the right thing to do here? I am ready to do. I am not allowing my emotions. चलो एक गेम खेलेंगे. या पूरा लोग एक गेम का सक्सेस क्या कौन सा चीज पर डिपेंड करता है मैं बताऊंगा आपको. आप रिएक्ट करते हैं तो गेम फ्लॉप. इफ यू रेस्पॉन्ड गेम विल बी सक्सेस. ओके, यू आर रेडी? बॉयज रेडी? या गर्ल्स? यस. और हाउ मेनी एल्डर्स आर देयर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a game. You like games? Yes or no? Yes or no? Girls, you like games? What games you play? What games you play, teacher? What games? Do they play cricket? Football? Football you play? Kabaddi you play? Very good. School team has gone. Who come for kabaddi? Where is the kabaddi? Get up kabaddi students.
Under 17 stand up.
Under 17 kabaddi.
Kabaddi players under 17.
Oh, you are in the school again. Yeah? Oh. Oh, very good. Kabaddi is an amazing game. Yeah. Give a good round of applause for them. All the kabaddi players come here. Let's come fast. Boys. All the kabaddi players get up and come. Yeah, stand in a line here. Stand in a line. How many of you are here? How many of you are here? Yeah, face that side. How many of you are here? Count. 1 minute. Virendra, count. कितना लोग हैं? Very good. Give me a little, yeah. Mind how it is reacting. When you are reacting, the game will be flop. Your performance is poor. When your performance is poor, there is no success and there is no happiness. Mind is not reacting, it is responding. Then game is successful. Yeah? How did you? All is smiling, all scared. Yeah. You should be really strong, okay? Yeah. So let us, the rule of the game is, listen. The rule of the game is, आपको काउंट करना है 1 से 14 तक. Play well. One say 14 than. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Till 14. But not in order. Anyone can start the count in 1. When I say your time starts now, anybody can say 1. Anyone can count 2, but only one time you will count. Only one time you will count. Anybody can start 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. But only one time you should count. एक आदमी को कितना चांस मिलेगा काउंट करने के लिए? सिर्फ एक ही चांस. नंबर्स को 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 असेंडिंग ऑर्डर बोलते हैं. इसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में काउंट करना है 1 से 14 तक. बट द रूल इज if two people they count at the same time, we say clash. Yeah, clash means two people count at the same number at the same time. Clash. So we will start the game. Okay, we have to finish the game. Understood? Did you understand? 1 से 14 तक काउंट करना है. किसी को भी शुरू कर सकता है. बट 1, 2, 3 ऑर्डर नहीं है. फिर एक ही बार काउंट करना है. 1 से 14 तक काउंट करना है. रेडी? You ready? Say yes or no. Comedy team, yes or no? Say yes. Loudly. 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 And count loudly. 1, 2. The last teacher who the sir who is standing there should listen to you. Count loudly, okay? When I say your time starts now, you start. You ready? Your time starts. Your time starts now.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Wait. Not the line. You two people come here. Two people come here. You two people go there. Anybody can count next first. Anyone can start. Okay, not from the beginning. Your time starts now.
1.
Abhi clash. So we have to start the game. Your time starts now.
1, 2,
Order out. Start. Your time. Start again. Your time starts now. Loudly. Okay, loudly. Your time starts now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Boys, listen. अभी देखो प्रिंसिपल है, पूरा लोग है, डरने की कोई बात नहीं. आपको कितना आवाज आपका इतना कम है. We are giving you, telling you that you speak loudly, count loudly. Don't be scared. You be very confident. इसका सही है. 10. Yeah. So when you are not able to bring sound, which one? You are not confident. Say loudly. Okay, count loudly. Yeah. Your time starts now.
1, 2.
तो अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? पूरा रिएक्ट कर रहा है क्योंकि जल्दी मेरा जो जल्दी होना चाहिए. नो, टेक टाइम. डोंट रिएक्ट, टेक टाइम. माइंड तो अभी रनिंग. सो क्वाइट द माइंड, रिलैक्स. टेक योर ओन टाइम, रिलैक्स. स्टार्ट.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
अच्छा, अभी भी माइंड रिएक्ट कर रहा है. 7 हो गया. ओके, इट्स अ गेम. बट डोंट फील बैड व्हेन यू आर रिएक्टिंग अगेन. डोंट फील बैड. Close your eyes. All of you close your eyes. Close your eyes. Chant with me. Open your eyes. Your time starts now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8,
Very good. So when the mind is quiet, when the mind is not running, yeah, they did a good job actually. Kabaddi player is very good. Players are very good. Give a good sound clap. Ta. So when the mind is running, I have to finish my counting. Everyone is looking at me. I am standing here, reacting. Mind is reacting. But when the mind is quiet, mind responds, not reaction. Reactions will bring karma, will bring karma. No reactions, response. Fully in the present. There was a match. Boys, listen. Yeah, you did a good job, listen. There was an India-Bangladesh match. Cricket match. You like cricket? Cricket match. 2016. Bangladesh team wanted 1 ball, 2 runs. You may be in some more stand. I don't know which standard. You were a small kid. I was watching the final. The match. I don't know whether it's final. I'll tell you how people don't react in the game so that you will understand it. That's why I said cricket. Final, 1 ball, 2 runs. Easy. Bangladeshi batsman can easily take. That time captain was Mahendra Singh Dhoni. What did Dhoni say? Dhoni went and told Hardik Pandya, the batsman is standing, throw wide ball, offside wide. Wide means not too much wide, away. Hardik Pandya came, started coming to run, to throw the ball. Mahendra Singh Dhoni removed his gloves, keeping gloves. Inside one gloves is there, inner gloves. He removed the outer gloves. You stand there. Bowler is bowling. So when the batsman is there, when you ball wide, away, you can't hit. That was the plan. Then the bowler did exactly what the captain said, Dhoni said. He caught the ball, he missed, batsman missed, Dhoni caught the ball. He ran towards the stumps. From the other side, batsman is running to complete the run. 1 run if they take, the game will be tied. So that is called non-striker end batsman. The other batsman is running, this man is going, Dhoni is running from there, he's coming running. He ran faster than that person. He reached the stumps. He did not throw the ball. He went and hit. Before the other person keeps the bat on the line, he made him out. See the mind. You planned everything, but if your mind runs to the stump, before you catch the ball, if the mind is already on the stumps, you will miss the catch. Yes or no? Your eyes should see the ball. So if you don't see the ball because of anxiety and the mind is there, reaction, then you miss the ball. When you miss the ball, how can you make him out? Bangladesh will win the match. He mind there, no emotions, caught the ball, ran there. In a game, in fighting our border, soldiers are standing. Mind should be completely in the present. Otherwise, you don't know where is the terrorist, where is the enemy. Why? How important it is to have a strong mind. Very, very important. Whatever you are doing. And what makes a mind weak? Negative emotions, reactions. So get inputs, nice inputs. Teachers will help you. Your nice quotes are there. Read Vivekananda's life. Then understand. And then you work upon yourself. How can I be strong? What do I do to change my thinking? मेरा सोच बदलने के लिए क्या करना है? आप सोचिए. नहीं तो अभी you are 13-year-old, 14-year-old, and when you reach 40 years old, also you are weak. Negative emotions. You can't face a person. Then weak. No. Boys and girls, read Great Lives. There was one girl when World Cup was going on. Now World Cup was going on. There was one event was happening parallelly. Okay, everyone's focus was World Cup because cricket has got glamour, limelight. But there was another competition. In that one girl, 16-year-old girl, she does not have arms. A problem by birth. In English it is called congenital problem. She born without arms. She participated in archery. Archery, you need hands to hold the bow. And your mind should be steady. But she does not have arms. She was born in Kashmir. She trained herself to take the arrow with her leg. She took the arrow from the leg, used her mouth to connect it to the clip, which is connected to the chest, and she used her chest to release the arrow. Arrow went and hit the center point. She got 2 gold medals for India. Imagine, if you have internet at home, go and search. Her name is Sheetal Devi. Okay, Sheetal Devi, 16-year-old from Kashmir, brought 2 gold medals for India. Body may not have hands, but strong inside. Are you getting it? But everyone was searching for Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, cricket, glamour. Why? They are all celebrities. Poor girl, even though her news is coming, we don't see what is she doing. Right? Film star. सेलिब्रिटी जैसे लो क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में इसको तो पूरा सेलिब्रिटी है ये तो इमेजिन द अदर पर्सन वेयर हर ओपोनेंट इन द आर्चरी शी इज प्रैक्टिसिंग 20 years आर्चरी दिस गर्ल शीतल देवी 11 months and she trained herself got 2 gold medals for India. After that, how did I know about Sheetal Devi? I was reading internet, and these Mahindra cars are there. No, Mahindra, Bolero, Scorpio, all that cars. वो कंपनी का ओनर का नाम है आनंद महिंद्रा. उन्होंने इंटरनेट पे ट्विटर पे लिखा था हमारा गाड़ी इतना बहुत ज्यादा गाड़ी है, बोलेरो है, स्कॉर्पियो है, वो है, ये है. Any गाड़ी she can take. I will give one car, any car what she likes. And she has to drive with her legs. Okay, now within 2 years, she may get license, but she doesn't have hands. Using her legs, she is going to drive. So, I will change whatever is required to drive with the leg, I will do it. That's called customization. I will customize and give the car to her. Then everybody started, hey, who is Sheetal Devi? Everyone wants to know only Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli. It's okay, because you like cricket. But nobody want to know about her. When Anand Mahindra said, I will give a car, everyone started saying, who is this girl? What did she do? Then people started asking, without hands somebody can do archery. Then I also can do something. After that she said, मुझे भी कुछ बनना है. किसी में कोई कमी नहीं है. थोड़ा मेहनत की जरूरत है. किसी में कोई कम नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? माइंड. हमारा माइंड बोलते रहता है कि यार प्रॉब्लम है, ये है, मैं अच्छा नहीं हूं, मैं ठीक नहीं हूं, मैं देखने में अच्छा नहीं हूं. She is looking good, I am looking good, I am fair, she is dark. वो कौन बोलता है ये? माइंड है ना? माइंड बोलते रहता है, मगर एक्चुअली हर आदमी, एवरीवन इज ब्यूटीफुल, एवरीवन इज गुड, ऐसा नो? हमारा माइंड नेगेटिव बोलते रहता है. She did not say like that. Okay, I don't have hands, but let me try. That is Sheetal Devi from Kashmir. So when you read these kind of stories, you get confidence. When you sit just like that, confidence will not come. We have to read. Padma Shri, government declared Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, award मिला. न्यूज पेपर में आता है, पूरा इधर भी पेपर में वो न्यूज आता है, उसको पद्मश्री मिला. क्यों मिला? डॉक्टर है, क्या किया? पढ़ना है. ऐसा एक डॉक्टर था, उनको पद्मश्री मिला. क्या किया उन्होंने? अंडमान निकोबार में एक ट्राइबल्स है, जरावा ट्राइब्स, वो एक आइलैंड के अंदर रहते हैं, वो जरावा. आप भी नहीं जाता है, मतलब सिविलाइज्ड, सो कॉल्ड सिविलाइज्ड पीपल. पर ये डॉक्टर जाके उन लोगों को एक बीमारी था, वो पूरा ट्रीट किया. They were dying. Why? Pandemic. No one goes there. This doctor went there. One doctor, he took the risk of his life, went to the tribal island, and he treated them. His name is Dr. Ramakant Kar. Since he risked his life, went to the tribal island, he treated them, brought them everybody back to health. Government gave him Padma Shri award. Are you getting? Medical doctor, knowledge of medicine is there, but when you use that for service, for a higher cause, for seva, then you are successful. Otherwise, what is the use? I know medicine knowledge, I know that, but I don't do anything. What is the use? I know I have crores and crores of money, but I don't help anybody. What is the use? I have knowledge, I can train somebody, but I don't train anybody. What is the use? I have lot of happiness. I can give happiness and love to everybody. No, I don't give. Everyone should happy, love me. Everyone should smile at me. Everyone should make me happy. Everyone should be nice to me. What is the use? I cannot be nice to others. Everyone should be nice to me. Everyone should smile and say, "Oh, beta, come on." No. How are you? Are you giving love, happiness? वो ये सवाल. जो देता है वो आता है वापस. लाइफ का रूल क्या है? वो आप देता है वो वापस. ओके, सो वी नीड टू बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. I am 8th standard, no problem. I should be strong. I am 9th standard, lot of no. Wherever, whichever class you are, what do you mean by strong? Physically strong, mentally strong. एंगर है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. एंगर है इधर. एवरीवन हैज गॉट एंगर. सबको एंगर होता है, मगर कैसे उसको रिड्यूस कर सकता है, सोचना है. सोचना है. फियर है, कोई बात नहीं. फियर स्वाभाविक है, सबको आता है फियर, मगर कैसे बाहर आ सकता है, सोचना है. सोचना नहीं सोचा छोड़ा, वो हमारे साथ 50 years फियर. अरे गेटिंग? So, your school is very good. I like your school. I like, because I also studied like this in a school. You are also very good. And from here, I go directly to the school. 10 o'clock. Which school I don't know. They take me. Yesterday, I went to 2 schools in, where was I yesterday? Madgaon. Day before yesterday, Panjim. Tomorrow, Ponda. But I like. Goa is also our beautiful place of Bharat, no, country of Bharat, one of the limb of Bharat. So I keep going from one place to another, then I go to next state, Kerala. That is my job. But I like your school very well. Nice children. So thank you, Prajwala ji, all the teachers, Nehal ji, Kiranamma. And we came here because of this Bhaiya. He said, "It's my school, can you come?" I said, "No, I have a class at 10 o'clock. No, Swamiji, aap aaiye." Okay. That is called service. Correct? No? Only a strong person can do. If I say, no, I have difficult, okay, Swamiji, no, you said no, can you come? Okay. So once again, please clap when I say, When I say clap, you clap. Okay? Not yes. When I say clap, you clap. Okay? 1, 2, 3, yes! No other clap. Reaction. Listen. Reaction. No reaction. Respond. When I say clap, you have to clap. Okay? 1, 2, 3. देखो आप जब ड्राइविंग करता है कितना अलर्ट होना चाहिए, ऐसा एक लर्निंग है, अलर्ट। नहीं तो वन डॉग विल जंप अलर्ट। व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट अलर्ट। नहीं तो बॉल कहाँ है किधर है मालूम नहीं पड़ता है, अलर्ट। ओके 1, 2, 3 क्लैप क्लैप। थैंक यू एवरीवन। हरिओम। I'm having Sheetal Devi's video, but maybe later you can show her. Yeah, better. Because how she takes her arrow with her leg, how she shoots, her video is there, later you can show her. Sorry, I forgot. Ma'am, I actually came for the college talks and a camp. Camp क्या होता है? ऐसा 1900 लगभग 100 बच्चे यंगस्टर्स आता है जगह पे और 3 दिन 2nd, 3rd, 4th दिसंबर ऐसा क्लासेस, गेम्स क्लासेस ऐसा प्रोग्राम होता है। तो अभी तो हमने 40 मिनट्स इंटरेक्ट किया, मगर वो 3 दिन ऐसा इंटरेक्शन है, गेम्स है, तो आपका तो मानसिक शक्ति वो सब बढ़ेगा। तो इसलिए हम एक कैंप कर रहे हैं 2, 3, 4 दिसंबर तारीख को महालक्ष्मी मंदिर पोंडा। बहुत अच्छा जगह है, कल हम देखा वहां पे। तो ऐसा फियर मैनेजमेंट एक्टिविटीज भी है। सो नॉट 8th स्टैंडर्ड, 9th and 10th। डिटेल्स वीरेंद्र भैया के पास है। इफ यू वांट यू कम, ओके, you tell your parents, take permission from principal, take permission from parents. It is a personality development camp. You will become strong. 3 दिन। वीरेंद्र भी है उधर, होगा 3 दिन। Anybody, even your young teachers, some of you 28 also can come. There will be a lot of nice sessions who are below 28. Okay? Thank you. Hariom.
The journey is never ending. There has always been gonna be growth, improvement and adversity. Just gotta take it all in all towards life, continue to grow, continue to live in behalf. On behalf of Gananath Jnana Prabodhini Societies and Somnath English High School and from our beloved headmistress, Teacher Prajwala Bhagale, I thank you Swamiji for conducting such a beautiful interactive session for our students. And I also thank Brahmachari Nehalji for blessing these occasions with your blessings. Then I also thank the students, our leader Kaki, the treasurer of Chinmay Archana Ashram, for bringing Swamiji to our school and making such arrangements. I also thank all our teachers for all the arrangements, and lastly I thank our beloved headmistress teacher for giving us permission for conducting and organizing such beautiful interactive session in our school. Then lastly I thank you the audience, students, for listening patiently and calmly for this talk, and hope you will join for the camp. And this camp will be starting in the 2nd December in the evening, and 3rd December we are having holiday of Sunday. 4th December is also having, we are having holiday of feast. So 4th December will be free in the evening. So if you want to come for the camp, then you can contact me. Such interactive sessions in that camp will be conducted. So you may join for the camp because I will be going for the camp. So I declare this function is over. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Staff is
पुढे पुढे
You check whether we are smiling.